What is going on? Daniel here. Welcome back to another video. Today I will be talking about Facebook ads and why I feel like it's still the biggest platform out there for anyone who has an online business that they are trying to market. In this video I'm going to be diving deep into an ad account that I've been managed for quite a while that is doing really well for this business. It's an online business, and of course I have about 29 different accounts I manage along with two other persons, all online businesses that are benefiting right now from the reach and the efficiency of Facebook ads. So if you have an online business, this video is for you. And if you're thinking about running Facebook ads, you might be able to walk away with one or two things that might help your business in this video. So who am I and why am I doing this? So I'm a digital nomad and I'm an online marketer. I teach people how to market using a platform like Facebook specifically, and I also have clients that I serve in real life, in the real world, that I've been serving for many months now, and I've been doing this for over 4 years. So it's safe to assume that I know one or two things about Facebook ads and how it can help you. So first of all, if you have an online business and you are struggling right now to drive traffic or to get eyeballs on it, chances are you're probably doing some things wrong. A lot of people feel like once they get their products up and running, people will come. But one thing you need to understand about marketing is the fact that your product will not just magically market itself simply because you have created it. You have to be able to do the work to drive traffic or to bring awareness to what you sell. And you can't do that by just going the organic route, by making free content and building a community and maybe talking to friends and family and just doing it the old-fashioned way. But there is a particular way through which you can do this very fast, and that is by marketing your product, by actively driving traffic, paid traffic to your product. And that is how a lot of people has been able to see great success in the past. It's very possible to go from $0 to $1,000 or $0 to $10,000 by just word of mouth, by organic traffic. In fact, a lot of people have even gone to do more numbers using organic traffic. But one thing that I've seen across board in my time doing marketing for online businesses is the fact that if you want to do great numbers, if you want to do $100,000, $1 million online, yes, people do that. You need to market your product. You need to put systems in place that allows you to drive traffic sustainably and to be able to serve those clients. Now, what you're looking on the screen right now is one of my client accounts. They are an online business in a niche that I will not be revealing in this video, but they are an online business. They teach people how to overcome certain things online. All they do is offer online classes, group coaching classes to professionals going through certain things. Now, what you're looking at here is their ad account. As you can see right here, in the last 7 days, we've spent about $7,000, and inside of this account on a daily basis, we're probably spending about $1,250 just inside of this ad account. And what we're spending here is not of importance than the kind of results that we're getting for them. I mean, if anyone is running ads and they're not seeing any result, especially if you're spending this much money on advertising and you're not seeing any kind of results, chances are you won't be doing it for too long. But this person has been doing it for a long time now. And as you can see, in the last 7 days that we've started running this ads, we've generated over 200 leads, 233 leads precisely. Now, this is going to be a live webinar, and we're running we're running a launch campaign right now, meaning we will be driving them to a funnel and they will be following up with an email sequence inviting them to the live webinar where they will be upselling them on a bigger ticket product. That product may range anywhere from $997 to $2,900. Now, what we're doing here is we are just simply helping this client to run lead generation ads. Now, you may think that is simple enough, but there are some few strategies that you need to put, that you need to understand. Now, this client has been doing this for quite a while, but they've just been, they've just come to us to help them run, this campaign, and we're executing some, a few strategies. I mean, previously on this account, they've been generating leads for way more than we've been able to generate for them. Right now, we're generating each lead for $30. Now, I understand that we can get it lower. In fact, in some of those ad sets, we're generating leads, you know, for $12, for $17, you know, even for, I mean, it goes as high as $54, even $61. Now, this is not, I mean, this campaign that we're running right here, the audience is segmented into two different categories. We have one category in the professional niche, and the other category into the non-professional niche. So these are two different audiences, and this campaign, the results that we're generating for, you know, the different segments of audience are quite different. I'm not going to be revealing what types of audience we are running right now, but as you can see right here, the non-professional audience, we're generating leads for about $17, and for the professional audience, we're generating leads for about $30. So that's quite a big difference there, you know, because one audience has, you know, pretty much no competition, but the other audience, you know, we're spending more to acquire that lead. But at the end of the day, you need to understand that it is not how much you're spending on your ad that matters, but how much you're able to get back from it. If we are spending $15,000 on this campaign, which is how much we'll be spending over a period of 2 weeks, we should be expecting to make at least 2x that amount. And if you're making 2x that amount, believe me, that is a very healthy return, especially with the cost of advertising these days. And 2x is just a bare minimum. There's nothing that says that we cannot, you know, do more on this ad account right here. So this is just to show you some of the campaigns that we're running and just how Facebook is powerful. Imagine in the space of 1 week, we're able to generate 233 leads, and we still have about 8 days to go until the actual event. So chances are we will be generating about 400 to 500 leads with this account alone. And I'm still making some changes into this account, you know, trying to see ways through which we can get the numbers lower. But the thing is, at the end of the day, there's no way you will be generating 500 leads if you were doing this organically, unless you have, you know, a massive following on social media or something like that. So this is just a way to go about it. If you have an online business and you need any help with Facebook ads, simply drop a comment down in the comment box, or, you know, just shoot me a message and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions. What I do is I help people, you know, to run ads. If you have any, if you need any help with your ads, I can do that for you with my team. And also, if you want to learn how to do ads, which is like a done with you, you know, program, I can also do that for you. Just drop me a comment down in the comment box, and I will be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. I hope this video has been helpful, you know, offered you some insight. And if it has, consider subscribing to this channel. Again, my name is Daniel, and I will see you in the next video.